So you saw the SQL Server image that I created. So now I can go ahead and let me just actually copy this one that I already copied and bring it back here. Oops, I have to rename it first one. Great. And so let me go back to the portal. Oh, great, everything's coming up here. And so what I can do is, like I was before, I can go to disks, but instead of seeing ones that I've already created, let me go in and say create disk. And so this will let me do SQL Server disk 2 and go into my storage account. And instead of, the example I've used, I've copied it back and forth to sort of simulate this, but if you were doing it, you could have uploaded it and it would appear in your storage account, and then you can go in and do what I'm about to do here. And so from your VHDs, you can see the list. Let me go down and find, okay, there's SQL Server VHD 2. I can go ahead and open this one. I do want to say that this does have an operating system, which means I'll be able to boot from it. It's not just a data disk. And bring that in. And that's relatively instantaneous. I can now come over here, and let me go new again, and do from gallery. And this time I'm going to say my disks. Oh, didn't come in yet. Give me one moment. Okay, there it is. So again, I can go through from gallery, and I can come in and say, here are my disks. Third time's a charm. Come on in. Go to virtual machines, go from gallery, and there it is. Exciting. Okay. And so from there now, the SQL Server Disk 2 is there. This is the guy I copied or uploaded, and now I can go in and say, yep, just let's go boot this guy. And you can see I still want to pick a name for him, just so I can keep track of him in my list. And size. But you see I can't actually, and of course the external, but you see I can't pick anything like host name or administrative password because these are already embedded. It's a disk, it's not syspret, so we can't change that, we're just booting it. Kind of go in here and I'll go ahead and deploy. And that will simply boot that VHD. Okay, let me go back here.